Click on the link below to get price. The Dri-Eaz LGR 3500i commercial dehumidifier with pump is a robust solution designed for industrial environments, offering exceptional performance in moisture removal. With a capacity of 30 gallons, this dehumidifier is engineered to handle large spaces effectively, making it ideal for use in warehouses, basements, and construction sites. One of the standout features of the LGR 3500i is its impressive dehumidification rate. Capable of removing up to 150 pints of moisture per day at saturation conditions, it efficiently addresses flooding issues and excessive humidity, which can lead to mold growth and structural damage. This makes it a valuable asset for restoration professionals and contractors alike. The unit is equipped with a built-in pump, allowing for continuous drainage, which is a major convenience when dealing with significant water accumulation. This feature eliminates the need for manual emptying, letting users focus on other tasks while the dehumidifier operates seamlessly. Furthermore, the pump can lift water vertically, providing flexibility in draining options. The design of the Dri-Eaz LGR 3500i is practical and user-friendly. It has a durable casing that can withstand the rigors of daily use, while the integrated wheels and handle make it easy to transport from one job site to another. The touchpad control panel is intuitive, featuring settings for humidity levels and fan speeds, along with a digital display that shows current conditions. In terms of energy efficiency, this unit is impressive. It is designed to operate using less energy compared to older models, which not only helps reduce operational costs but also contributes to more environmentally friendly use. Overall, the Dri-Eaz LGR 3500i is a powerful, efficient, and durable dehumidifier well-suited for commercial and industrial applications. Its combination of high capacity, advanced features, and energy efficiency makes it a top choice for businesses looking to mitigate moisture-related issues effectively. Whether you're in restoration or simply managing humidity in a large space, this dehumidifier is a reliable partner.